Welcome, in front of me is an ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and today I'll show you how to put the device into safe mode. And to get started, hold power key, and when you see the boot options at the top, you want to hold power off option. This will bring up a window at the bottom, reboot to safe mode, confirm it by tapping on OK, and simply wait for the device to boot back up. And as you can see now that it's back on, I'm going to quickly confirm the pin on the SIM card, and you can see already there is a watermark right in the bottom left corner, safe mode. That is so you are aware that the device is indeed in this mode. That is because in this mode only the pre-installed applications will work. Anything that you have downloaded from Play Store or anywhere else will not be able to start up, will be completely disabled and turned off from starting up. So any app that you downloaded can't use it right now. Only the default ones will work. And that is so you can troubleshoot your device right here. Now once you're done with this mode, to leave it, all you need to do is hold power key and simply tap on restart. And once the device boots back up, it will go back to the normal mode. And as you can see now that it's back on, the watermark is gone from the corner of the screen and the device is back in normal mode. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.